China.
China.
Today I'm going to talk about the 3 horsemen when it comes to OSU tablet driver. If you are new when it comes to OSU, or this is your first time buying a tablet, this video will definitely help you, I think. So yeah, I'm going to explain it as simple as possible, so let's get started. Number 1 is the Hawku Driver. Hawku Driver is the OG driver in OSU. This is used to lower latency of your tablet. By latency, the best way to explain it is low latency, little to no delay equals to shaky cursor. And when it comes to high latency, give you medium to high delay, but it will smoothen your cursor. Hawku will give you low latency compared to the default software, such as Hawku Driver, Devocub Driver, etc. It's easy to use and it has a friendly software. Next is the Devocub. Devocub will give you more latency but smoothen your cursor. It also have a feature known as prediction. For example, you have a shaky cursor and it affects your gameplay. Devocub can help you when it comes to this. But this driver has limited tablet support. The software looks like the same as Hawku, the difference is the added features. Next is Open Tablet Driver. Open Tablet Driver claims that it will lower your latency lower than the Hawku driver. Compared to the other 2 software, using Open Tablet Driver can be quite confusing. Unlike those other 2 software, it has an active community, so feel free to ask. Also, they're announcing their new updates on their Discord server. I think that's all, so let's move to the downside of the drivers. First is the Hawku Driver. Hawku Driver is the normal one. It will give you low latency that is playable, and that's all. It's just normal. Devocub. Devocub prediction can be quite tricky. It's not a life hack if that's in your mind. Accidentally moving your cursor to the wrong direction will give you a hard time moving it back, but it will train you to be more precise when playing OSU. Next is the Open Tablet Driver. Even though it has so much potential, it's still a new software. But right now, it's much more stable compared to the old version. Also, there are some extra steps when downloading presets that can be quite confusing. But if you manage to do it all, you can enjoy low latency gameplay. Low latency or high latency can affect your gameplay, but it depends on you if you want no delay or a little bit of delay. So I think that's all. I hope this video answers some of your questions and see you guys in the next video.